When you determine what social networks you want to integrate with your site, you need to answer two important questions. What social networks does your community already use? And do you have the ability to participate in these communities as well? A lot of sites adding social network plugins will add every single social network possible. In my opinion, this is a bad idea. It's much more effective to target just a few social networks that are relevant to your industry and focus all of your attention in interacting with your community in those environments. For example, let's say we have a website for a legal firm and it adds a Pinterest sharing option. Pinterest is for sharing beautiful photos. A legal website rarely would have photos that would work well on Pinterest. So, it doesn't really make sense to add this. However, let's say we had a site that shows off local artwork. A Pinterest button would be great for this type of site. The thing to remember is that if you put a social sharing button on your site, you have to participate in that community. This is essential, yet so many website owners don't do it. They assume that all they have to do is add a button to like on Facebook and their visitors will take care of the rest. This rarely ever works. You must also be on Facebook communicating with your community outside of your website. If you're not yet using social networks properly, here are my suggestions. Identify the right social networks to use. Regularly publish news articles or blog posts that your community would want to read. Share your content on social networks. Follow other people interested in your industry. Engage in conversations that aren't just about your own content. And get to know people who share and comment on your site. The most important thing to remember about social networks is that they are a two-way street. So, it's important that you're out there using the networks just like your visitors.